Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I will be explaining you the elasticity of demand and how it is calculated. What by elasticity of demand? The degree or extent at which demand changes due to change in price is called elasticity of demand. As you know all, the demand changes due to change in price. So how much change is there in the demand due to change in price is measured, and that is called elasticity of demand. What is the formula? Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. If you divide percentage change in quantity demanded by percentage change in price, you will get elasticity of demand. So that is sometimes the students will write the formula in this way. First, elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in price divided by percentage change in quantity demanded. This is wrong. So you should know that demand will come top and price will come down. Alphabetical order. Remember, alphabetical order, the variable will come. Follow on. The D will be top, P will be down. So that is a problem. Suppose if it is given 10% rise in price leads to 20% fall in demand. Find out elasticity of demand. The problem is 10% rise in price leads to 20% fall in demand. Find out elasticity of demand. Then you have to write this formula first. Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. So you have to write the formula, then you have to substitute the value. Percentage change in quantity demanded is how much? 20%. 20% divided by percentage change in price is 10%. So you will get 10 1 the 10 2 the, you will get the answer 2. Now elasticity of demand, is it equal to 1 or is it more than 1 or less than 1? In this case ED is greater than 1. So then you have to mention which type of elasticity. It is a case of relatively elastic demand. It is a case of relatively elastic demand. First you have to write the formula, then you have to put the value, find out the answer. Then ED is what? Is it equal to 1? Is it more than 1 or less than 1 or 0? You have to mention, and then what type of a elasticity. Then the sometimes percentage will not be given to you. Find out the elasticity of demand by using the percentage method. That is, the percentage will not be given. So the problem will be like this. Suppose the price is given to you. Price, second column, quantity demanded. Suppose the price, it is in rupees. If it is given 40, 60. Quantity demanded, that is in units. 100 units, then 50 units. This is the problem given to you. You have to find out elasticity of demand. So the percentage is not given to you. So that is, first you have to find out percentage change in quantity demanded. Then you have to find out percentage change in price, then you have to use the formula. 3 steps are there. First step, you have to find out percentage change in quantity demanded. So now, what is the original demand? The demand that is given in the beginning is the original demand. So original demand is how much? Original demand is equal to 100 units. Original demand. And what is the new demand later on? First figure will be the original demand. Then the next figure will be the new demand. What is the new demand for the product? New demand is 50. Now you have to find out difference in quantity demanded. How much difference is there in the quantity demanded? It should be always in positive. So highest figure minus lowest figure. Difference is how much? Difference is 50 units. Then you have to use the formula and find out percentage change in quantity demanded. So what is the formula? Percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to difference in quantity demanded divided by original demand into 100. This is the formula you have to use. Difference in quantity demanded divided by original demand into 100. So now difference in quantity demanded is how much? 50 units. What is the original demand? Original demand is 100 into 100. How to find out the percentage? So cancel this. So you will get 50%. What is the percentage change in quantity demanded? That is 50%. Then you have to find out second step. You have to find out percentage change in price. So now to find out the percentage change in price, first you have to find out what is the original price. Price that is given in the beginning of the problem. What is the original price? 40 is the original price and this is the new price. 40 is the original price, 60 is the new price. Price that is given in the beginning is original and that is the later, that is the next price is a new price. So original price is how much? 40. New price is rupees 60. Then you have to find out difference in price. What is the difference between these two figures? So it is all, you should always positive only, highest value minus lowest value. So the difference is 20. Difference in price is 20. Then you have to find out percentage change in price is equal to difference in price divided by original price into 100. Now difference in price is how much? 20. What is the original price? Original price is 40 into 100. You cancel the 0. So the 2 ones are, so 2, 2 the. Then you cancel 2 1 the, 250 the. So what is the answer? 50%. Percentage change in price is how much? 50%. Now the third step, you have to find out elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. So this is the formula of elasticity of demand. Now what is the first step answer? Percentage change in quantity demanded is how much? 50%. So 50%. What is the second step answer? Percentage change in price is how much? It is also 50%. So find out the answer. 51 the 51. So the answer is how much? 1. ED is how much? It is equal to 1. Exactly, it is equal to 1. So it is a case of unitary elastic demand. It is a case of unitary elastic demand. So first you have to find out percentage change in quantity demanded. Then you have to find out percentage change in price. You have to use the formula. Then you have to find out the answer. And then ED is what you have to write and what type of elasticity of demand. Thank you.